for all to enjoy. Like I said, I'm going to be withdrawing half of this, and I'm going to be taking half of this. My wallet is well connected. So to withdraw, I'm going to click on withdraw reward. If I want to withdraw, I'll click on BTN. If I want to reinvest, I'll click on reinvest BTN. So I want to withdraw first and then reinvest the balance. So let me go to BTN. $930. 50%, 9,230 rather. 50% of 9,000 is 4,500. So that means 4,615. 4,615. That's what I want to withdraw, right? 4,615. You will see the calculation. 70% will eat my wallet. That's 3,230 BitTON tokens will get to my wallet. And then 461 will go to my investing. 461 will go to fees. Then development is 461. So if I click on withdraw BTN, I have automatically withdrawn 3,230. And this BitTON is already sitting in my wallet as we speak. That is how to make withdrawal in BitTON tokens. That's how to make withdrawal. Very simple and straight. And then I click on go to main page. It takes me back to my page. You can see that I've withdrawn 50% and I have the 50% left. Next is to show us how to restake. We have seen how to withdraw. Next is to show us how to restake. Don't forget, this is entirely your decision. You can choose to say, I want to withdraw everything. You can choose to say, I want to restake everything. Restaking means you're adding what you have in your reward balance to your total staking so that you can earn more tokens. That's what it means. Withdrawals means you are getting your reward, your tokens, you are keeping it to your wallet, and it becomes yours. What gets into your wallet is yours, and nobody can undo it. Nobody can touch it for you, except if you give access to that person. So let's see how we can restake. You go through almost the same process. Withdraw reward. Let's go back. You click on withdraw reward. It brings you here, and then you click on reinvest BTN. And then you click on, you type that amount in your available balance, you type it there, 4,615.27. I want to reinvest everything that I have. It means 3,230 will get there. In case you want to monitor it, you want us to monitor it to be sure if it's really hard or not. Let's go back to our main. Note that on the dashboard, I have $113,900. That means I have 61,284 BitTON tokens. I hope someone is writing that one down so that we can compare. I have $113,900. I have 61,284.59. So let's go back, withdraw reward. Okay, we are here. 4,615.27. That's BTN. What we get to add to my investment is 3,230.68. So I'll click on reinvest BTN. And within seconds, that has been reinvested. 3,230.68. So we'll go back to the main page. If you come here and it's not changing, then you need to give it some time to refresh itself, or you refresh it yourself. You come to that 3 dots at the top. You click on reload page, and you allow this page to reload itself. I hope you've seen that now. My dollar value has moved from 113,900 to 121,169. From 113 to 121. And my BTN has moved from 61 to 64, because the 3,230 that I restaked has been added to it. And if you notice, you notice that my daily reward has also increased to 1442.24. And if I want to see the restake that I just did, I just come to stakes, just like I taught us before. Let's go and look for it. It's going to have just 1 day, because we just did it today. This is it. 3,230.68. And that is giving me 16.15 BTN because I'm on 0.5. Don't forget that your reward earning progresses up. You start with 0.5% for the first 7 days. The second 7 days, you get to 1% daily. The third 7 days, you get to 1.5% daily. The fourth 7 days, you get to 2% daily. And then 2.5% daily for the next 71 days after that. And then for the last 36 days, you get 3% daily. If you put that together, it gives you 320% altogether. And don't forget that when you withdraw, what you promise is 206%. Don't forget that at the point of withdrawal, divisions are done. 70% goes to you, 10% goes to your vesting wallet. That is 206% in total. And then the balance 10% goes into development and fees. But at the long run, you get 206% together to yourself. That is how to restake in BitTON token. So meaning today, all my balance has been restaked. I have withdrawn some. If I want to see that which I've withdrawn, it means I have to come to my wallet. Yes. It's loading. And on this wallet, we are going to see that 3,230 that we have done. I'm going to be seeing it live on this wallet. When you get to the wallet and you see show hidden tokens, settings sometimes brings that. Just click on show hidden wallets. BTN will come. Just click on the BTN. And here we have it there. 3,230 BitTON tokens that we withdrawn today is sitting right here for us to see. And I can do whatever I feel like with this token. I can do whatever I feel like with this token. I can choose to sell it to anyone that wants to buy. I can choose to stake it later. I can choose to do whatever I like with that tokens, because they are mine. They are completely mine. And that is my digital asset. And I can choose to do whatever I feel like with it. That is BitTON token for us. And I'm going to be stopping here so I can attend to questions and we can discuss like brothers and sisters for the next few minutes, because I want us to close today at exactly 9 o'clock max. So, do we have any questions? If you have any question, you can type in the chat box or you raise your hand while I call and then we discuss your question.